Have you found a ball? You found a ball, and I found this. Looks like somebody could have been staying here. Hi. Isn't it amazing that you can come somewhere nearly every day and then still come across secrets? About 6 months ago, I was here in these woods, which just border in the distance here, HMP Norwich. And I came across some air raid shelters and some other strange structures. And I thought to myself, I must go back and visit those. And I came back with my son. I couldn't find them again. So I'm back today to see whether or not I can find them. And we're kind of skirting the wall to the prison here. So let's see what we can find. Some very random large clumps of concrete. Now this is all very overgrown. I don't think very many people come in here. So this is the perimeter wall to the prison. And if we listen very quietly, we can actually hear people in the prison. There we go, I found them. We're literally so close to the prison. What a peculiar place to have these air raid shelters. Originally there was a army barracks, which is what I filmed at the beginning. So I wonder if they had something to do with that. Another one. This one seems better preserved. Oh wow. There's sleeping bags in here. Looks like somebody could have been staying here. Or more than one person. Pulse. Watch out. It says prison dogs patrol this area. There's a third one. That's fascinating. And if you look where we are, I'll turn all the way round. We really are in a bit of the woods that people just don't visit. Dog's having a whale of a time. So I wonder if there are any other structures around here. Let's keep looking. It's really weird. It feels like I shouldn't be here. Like I say, definitely signs of life. People staying in here. What looks like would have been a wall or piles of concrete. There's some more here as well. Just random wall on the forest floor. I'm literally walking in circles. There's more here. It's like a concrete platform. Just wonder what this was all used for. So I have looked a lot of it up online and I just can't find out any information other than the fact that there used to be airfields and the barracks here, but there's nothing showing any of the buildings that used to be here. And some more. Obviously the base to a building. Where did you find a ball? Have you found a ball? You found a ball and I found this. What is this doing here? So what is this structure? This dog can find a ball anywhere. So how random is this? Just a huge wall. You can see we're back against the perimeter of the prison. Right, let's go see if we can find anything else interesting. I hope you enjoyed that little walk around the woods and the things that we come across. And I'll see you on the next one.